Description of the picture in 100 sentences using the present continuous tense and the past continuous tense. 1. A man is riding a lawnmower.
1. A man was riding a lawnmower.
2. Two boys are hiking on a trail.
2. Two boys were hiking on a trail.
3. A boy is holding a hiking stick.
3. A boy was holding a hiking stick.
4. A girl is holding a hiking stick.
4. A girl was holding a hiking stick.
5. A boy is wearing a red shirt.
5. A boy was wearing a red shirt.
6. A girl is wearing a blue cap.
6. A girl was wearing a blue cap.
7. Two boys are playing tennis.
7. Two boys were playing tennis.
8. A boy is hitting the tennis ball.
8. A boy was hitting the tennis ball.
9. Another boy is waiting for his turn.
9. Another boy was waiting for his turn.
10. A man is watching the tennis game.
10. A man was watching the tennis game.
11. The boy is jumping to hit the ball.
11. The boy was jumping to hit the ball.
12. The other boy is standing near the net.
12. The other boy was standing near the net.
13. The tennis ball is flying over the net.
13. The tennis ball was flying over the net.
14. A family is walking on the path.
14. A family was walking on the path.
15. A child is pointing at something.
15. A child was pointing at something.
16. A mother is holding her daughter's hand.
16. A mother was holding her daughter's hand.
17. The daughter is holding a flower.
17. The daughter was holding a flower.
18. A child is playing with a toy sailboat by the water.
18. A child was playing with a toy sailboat by the water.
19. A boy is feeding the ducks.
19. A boy was feeding the ducks.
20. Ducks are swimming in the pond.
20. Ducks were swimming in the pond.
21. Two ducks are close to each other.
21. Two ducks were close to each other.
22. A duck is flapping its wings.
22. A duck was flapping its wings.
23. A small boat is floating in the water.
23. A small boat was floating in the water.
24. A child is sitting on a bridge.
24. A child was sitting on a bridge.
25. A family is having a picnic.
25. A family was having a picnic.
26. A man is holding a salad bowl.
26. A man was holding a salad bowl.
27. A girl is sitting on the picnic table.
27. A girl was sitting on the picnic table.
28. A boy is holding a sandwich.
28. A boy was holding a sandwich.
29. The mother is sitting next to the picnic basket.
29. The mother was sitting next to the picnic basket.
30. Another child is standing near the table.
30. Another child was standing near the table.
31. A woman is eating a sandwich.
31. A woman was eating a sandwich.
32. A little girl is watching her family eat.
32. A little girl was watching her family eat.
33. The picnic basket is open.
33. The picnic basket was open.
34. There is a bottle of water on the table.
34. There was a bottle of water on the table.
35. The boy is wearing blue shorts.
35. The boy was wearing blue shorts.
36. A child is holding a drink.
36. A child was holding a drink.
37. A boy is about to take a bite of his sandwich.
37. A boy was about to take a bite of his sandwich.
38. A girl is looking at her food.
38. A girl was looking at her food.
39. The boy is wearing a cap.
39. The boy was wearing a cap.
40. The girl is wearing glasses.
40. The girl was wearing glasses.
41. A kite is flying in the sky.
41. A kite was flying in the sky.
42. A boy is climbing a tree.
42. A boy was climbing a tree.
43. A girl is watching the kite.
43. A girl was watching the kite.
44. The kite has a long tail.
44. The kite had a long tail.
45. A boy is holding the kite string.
45. A boy was holding the kite string.
46. The boy is wearing a red shirt and blue pants.
46. The boy was wearing a red shirt and blue pants.
47. A girl is standing near a tree.
47. A girl was standing near a tree. 48. Flowers were blooming in the garden.
48. Flowers are blooming in the garden. 49. The man on the lawnmower is smiling.
49. The man on the lawnmower was smiling.
50. The children are enjoying the park.
50. The children were enjoying the park.
51. Birds are flying in the sky.
51. Birds were flying in the sky.
52. A little girl is waving to her mother.
52. A little girl was waving to her mother.
53. The mother is smiling at her daughter.
53. The mother was smiling at her daughter.
54. A boy is about to serve in tennis.
54. A boy was about to serve in tennis.
55. The grass is green and well maintained.
55. The grass was green and well maintained.
56. The water in the pond is clear.
56. The water in the pond was clear.
57. Ducks are diving into the water.
57. Ducks were diving into the water.
58. A toy boat is floating nearby.
58. A toy boat was floating nearby.
59. Two kids are laughing together.
59. Two kids were laughing together.
60. A child is petting a duck.
60. A child was petting a duck.
61. The man is guiding the lawnmower.
61. The man was guiding the lawnmower.
62. A bird is perched on a branch.
62. A bird was perched on a branch.
63. A butterfly is flying near the flowers.
63. A butterfly was flying near the flowers.
64. The flowers are pink and purple.
64. The flowers were pink and purple.
65. Kids are running around in the park.
65. Kids were running around in the park.
66. A boy is sitting on a bench.
66. A boy was sitting on a bench.
67. A girl is skipping on the path.
67. A girl was skipping on the path.
68. The trees are swaying in the wind.
68. The trees were swaying in the wind.
69. The kite's tail is fluttering.
69. The kite's tail was fluttering.
70. The boy is pulling the kite string.
70. The boy was pulling the kite string.
71. A man is putting food on a plate.
71. a man was putting food on a plate.
72, a boy is pouring a drink.
72, a boy was pouring a drink.
73, a girl is holding a small toy.
73, a girl was holding a small toy.
74, kids are jumping and playing.
74, kids were jumping and playing.
75, a duck is eating some bread.
75, a duck was eating some bread.
76, the bridge is painted purple.
76, the bridge was painted purple.
77, water is flowing under the bridge.
77, water was flowing under the bridge.
78, the family is chatting at the picnic.
78, the family was chatting at the picnic.
79, children are talking and laughing.
79, children were talking and laughing.
80, a child is pointing at the ducks.
80, a child was pointing at the ducks.
81, a man is taking a picture.
81, a man was taking a picture.
82, the ducks are quacking.
82, the ducks were quacking.
83, the sky is clear and blue.
83, the sky was clear and blue.
84, the children are having fun.
84, the children were having fun.
85, a woman is opening a bottle of water.
85, a woman was opening a bottle of water.
86, a boy is showing his toy to his friend.
86, a boy was showing his toy to his friend.
87, a girl is fixing her glasses.
87, a girl was fixing her glasses.
88, a mother is adjusting her daughter's hat.
88, a mother was adjusting her daughter's hat.
89, a boy is holding a toy car.
89, a boy was holding a toy car.
90, the girl on the picnic table is looking around.
90, the girl on the picnic table was looking around.
91, a mother is helping her child with food.
91, a mother was helping her child with food.
92, the family is enjoying the fresh air.
92, the family was enjoying the fresh air.
93, kids are playing near the water.
93, kids were playing near the water.
94, a man is putting away the picnic items.
94, a man was putting away the picnic items.
95, a child is waving at someone in the distance.
95, a child was waving at someone in the distance.
96, the sun is shining brightly.
96, the sun was shining brightly.
97, the grass is soft and lush.
97, the grass was soft and lush.
98, the bridge is arching over the pond.
98, the bridge was arching over the pond.
99, the children are exploring nature.
99, the children were exploring nature.
100, everyone is having a lovely day at the park.
100, everyone was having a lovely day at the park.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.